Hi there and welcome to the latest video from Because, your channel for making money online. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you won't miss any of my videos. Need inspiration on how to build your next income source? Whether you're looking for a side hustle or your next main income stream, it's important to get some inspiration and learn about as many opportunities as possible. That way, you can choose the income source that's best for you. 1. Affiliate marketing. Choose a subject, ideally a passion of yours. Then create a web page, some videos, a Facebook or Instagram page about your passion. Once you have access to your newly built audience, you can place a link on your page, enabling your fans to purchase something using your referral code. If they do buy something, you will get paid through the referral link. The easiest and safest way to get started with this profitable endeavor is to sign up for ClickBank University. They teach you everything you'll need to know for affiliate marketing. Just use the link I'm providing in the video description to sign up. 2. Self-publishing. By the way, please smash the like button because it really helps me out. Back to self-publishing. These days, it is very easy to publish your own book. Most probably, you want to do ebooks first, and publish on the Apple iBook Store using iTunes Connect, and also make sure to publish on Kindle Direct Publishing at kdp.amazon.com. If your ebook is successful, consider having a print edition as well with the print-on-demand function included in Kindle Direct Publishing. It is very rewarding to see your own book published. Try it out. 3. E-commerce. A trend within e-commerce that has become increasingly popular is called dropshipping. It means that you find other people's products, create a shop page for it on Shopify.com, and every time you receive an order you create another order towards your supplier, often through sites like AliExpress.com. Your supplier will then ship the product directly to your customer, so you won't need a warehouse. 4. Car sharing. Using apps like GetAround, HireCar, or Turo, you can rent out your car and make money. This is a highly recommended way to make money because it is largely passive. By listing your car on one of these apps, you will automatically get customers, and you will get paid. It is also scalable. You can list as many cars as you like. 5. Create compilations on YouTube. Everyone knows you can make a lot of money on YouTube by allowing YouTube to run ads on your content, but did you know you don't have to create your own content? You can just create compilations of other people's YouTube videos. Will you get viewers this way? Yes, absolutely. Many people prefer watching compilations over oftentimes hard to digest original content. Is it legal? Yes, if you stick to the rules. You can only use videos that were uploaded using YouTube's Creative Commons license. Just use YouTube's search function to show you CC licensed videos only, then download them and create your compilation. 6. Repost other people's videos on YouTube. This works the same way as the compilation idea, with a tiny twist. You just make it a one-video compilation. 7. Create your own YouTube channel. After you've started doing compilations, start creating your own original content on YouTube. It is easier than you think to reach YouTube's monetization requirement of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Bonus. Sell subscriptions to other people's services. Selling subscriptions is super rewarding because it gives you recurring revenues. Selling other people's subscriptions is even more rewarding because you don't need to go through all the hassles of creating your own subscription-enabled products and services. How do you find other people's subscription services that you can sell and get paid? You find these on affiliate platforms, the most well-known of which is called ClickBank. Check out the link I provide down below in the description to get started with ClickBank. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye.